You, like you said, you have a goal to make $100,000 a year. You're at 10,000. And if 1 month, month one, month two, month three, you're not really there, you start to resent it more, and you're vibrating on a lower level now instead of going higher.
Yeah.
Faith versus fear, right?
Mm.
Talk to me about religion and NLP. I've been raised by traditional mother, my grandmother, dua, hard work, kismat for my American audience means whatever's written for you is done.
Faith.
Faith, exactly. How do you NLP? Can you do NLP with religion?
Of
Jewish,
course.
Christian, Muslim, Buddhist?
Yeah. And they're mutually exclusive, right? NLP doesn't question your religious beliefs. We have a lot of people who are deeply religious, in fact, are deeply religious and teach religion, who do NLP with us. Because what NLP does is it helps you to become better, more proficient, more effective at whatever it is you do. And there's a whole spiritual side of NLP as well, by the way. You know, when we talk about higher purpose and we talk about soul, and it is a sense of being in flow. Now, for me, religion is, and this is a personal belief, so I'm not putting it on anybody else.
Please.
Is religion helps you, is a pathway you take to climb a mountain. And the purpose is to get to the top of the mountain. And in a way, religion enables spirituality, right? So and spirituality is all about the growth of our soul. And we can have different paths up to the top of the same mountain. Essentially, that's what we're all doing. All human beings are, whatever our religious beliefs are, we're kind of all trying to do the same thing in different ways. And when you sort of chip it away, all religions basically teach similar concepts. And when you chip it away and take it back to bare bones. And so what NLP does is it helps you in how you think. It's not challenging your beliefs in whatever your religious beliefs are or practices are. It's got nothing to do with that. In fact, it enables you to come to your religion from a higher level of functionality, in my view. Because I believe if you really want to get the most from religion, you need to be higher functioning. You need to be educated. You need to have an active mind, an open soul, or whatever you want to call it, right? That's when you are going to get the most from religion.